losing our Amazon rainforest due to human-environment interaction. Hi, I'm Maddie.
I'm Isaiah.
And I'm Elijah. You may be wondering, what is human-environment interaction? Human-environment interaction is the interaction between humans and the natural ecosystem. So anything that humans did that would not naturally happen is considered human-environment interaction. Some examples of this would be deforestation of rainforests, human waste in waters, excess use of waters from humans, homes being built in places like deserts, and overall humans just hurting the environment, or it can be positive too.
Humans have changed the Amazon rainforest in a negative way, such as they have deforestation. About 36% of our Amazon rainforest is taken or is being taken by deforestation. Mining is taking away animals' homes and taking away their ability to hide from predators. And ranching is declining our animal population by taking the animals, thinking that they're for good. And the oil and gas extraction that they have been doing has been taking away animals' lives because of the toxicity from each material. They have also adapted to the rainforest, such as people that live there. They have farmed for more plantations so that 36% can turn into 17%. People live there as we speak. There are 3 native tribes that live there, and those native tribes, they actually have adapted to the rainforest, such as they are about 3 feet tall, so they get around faster and they can fit into small spaces. They can sweat less after living in the rainforest for hundreds of years, and they know their way around the rainforest as well.
You might be wondering, is there anything in the Amazon that has not changed over these years? Well, there are a couple things. The first thing is that it's still the biggest rainforest in the world. All the other rainforests in the world don't compare to the Amazon's massive size. The other thing is that it's the most biodiverse place in the world. That means it has the most species of animals and the most variety globally. The third thing is that it produces 20% of oxygen in the world. So without the Amazon, we might be living in a thinner environment with less oxygen. And finally, it is still self-sustaining. This means that the Amazon provides for itself, whether it be for food for its species that live there, or it be sunlight and water for the trees. The Amazon does not depend on any human interaction to keep it going.
Is there any plans to change the Amazon rainforest in the near future? Well, many organizations and government-related projects have been planning to replant cut down trees due to the massive loss of trees in the Amazon rainforest due to deforestation from humans. Restoring the natural ecosystem is another big part of what they're trying to change in the Amazon. Due to all the trees being lost, many animals' homes and also plants' environments have been destroyed. Stopping the spread of wildfires is just another thing humans are trying to do just to help the Amazon get another boost and just keep going. And also, we are just trying to reverse the human-caused destruction caused by us being inconsiderate.
Finally, is there anything in the Amazon rainforest that is constantly changing? Well, firstly, the population of trees in the Amazon is always fluctuating. Due to deforestation, the population can go down very quickly, but it can also regain itself by repopulation of trees. Also, wildlife population is always changing. This is also because for deforestation, as many wildlife live in trees and use them as shelter. So when these trees get cut down, they have nowhere to live and they may die. But they also reproduce, just like the trees, which increases the population. The forest stability is also always varying. Due to deforestation, the forest stability can decrease a lot, but then when it gets replanted, it can finally start to sustain itself again. And lastly, animal homes are being destroyed, whether from deforestation, like I stated earlier, or from things like mining, where the animals that have lived there are forced to move and can very easily die because they're not used to adapting to that environment.
And then we also have sources of where we got all our information.
Thank you for watching the presentation.